very sweet morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, today I will be doing literature chapter with you. So be ready with your literature books. Chapter number is here 8 and the name of the chapter is Animals in Danger. Children, before I start reading and explaining you the chapter, let's have a look at the name of the chapter. Animals in Danger. Children, it's not only the name or the title of the chapter, it's a very serious issue to think about. Children, in today's time, seriously, animals are in danger. They are losing their homes, their, you can say, the basic area of survival. They are not getting food, they are not getting home. And have you ever thought who is the reason behind it? Yes, children, the reason and the basic responsible persons behind them is we human beings. We human beings, for our selfish nature, for our personal, you can say, benefits, we are destroying the forest and the animals of the homes day by day just for our own benefits. We never think once about these animals, and because of which these animals are losing their homes day by day. And our chapter is also related to this. And children, the most important thing in this title is to think about that if our animals are becoming in danger, means day by day the species of animals are decreasing, then the day will come then where our ecological balance will be, you can say, totally imbalanced. There will be no balance, and a day will come there when it will be very, very, very difficult for our human beings, for us to survive on earth. So if we want to live on this earth and we want our earth to be the beautiful planet and the only planet where the life is possible to be continued, we have to think about it and we have to take the measures and steps to save the animals. So children, let's see what's there in this chapter. So let's get started. This animal is found in the states of Assam and Sikkim in India. It is in danger of becoming extinct as its forest home is being destroyed. This is an endangered animal. So let's see which animal is this which is living in Assam and Sikkim in India and it's losing its home. Let's see which animal is this. Who can guess the name? I tell you how to guess the name. The answer is in A part. Cross out every third letter to get its name. So we have to cross out the third letter. So first letter is R-E. Cross A, D. So it is red. P, M. Cut M. A-N. L cut D-A. So it is red panda. Next B, you will do it yourself. Cross out every second letter to get the name of an endangered bird. Now you will cut the second letter, means V, A you will cut. Like this, E you will cut. So you will get the name of the bird which is endangered. Now children, let's get started with the chapter. You can see on the map that many animals in India are in danger of extinct. So there is a page in your book where there is a map, and you can see on the left hand side that these are the all animals which are getting extinct because of losing their home. First is the Asiatic lion. One by one we will discuss which animals are becoming endangered and what is the reason behind it. The Asiatic lion is found only in the Gir Forest Sanctuary in Gujarat. Lions live in a family groups called prides. So animals live in groups. Same way lions also live in groups, and those groups are called lions. You remember we have done in collective nouns also, the pride of lions. A pride usually has 2 to 3 males, a dozen or so females, and their cubs. Means there are about 18 to 20 lions together in one group. Lions are large animals who usually prey upon smaller animals in jungle. So animals like lions, they eat prey is the food of the animals, means they eat the smaller animals as their food in the jungle. Their claws and teeth are very sharp and powerful. The coats of the lion are yellowish brown. Now they are describing the physical features of the Asiatic lion. The male have a mane around their face. They can grow to the height of 3.5 feet and length of about 9.5 feet. They can weigh up to 190 kilograms. Females are little smaller, but they are the main hunters. Means the female are the main hunters. Basically, they hunt for the children and male of the family. Males have a loud and powerful roar to scare away anyone who enters their territory. Territory means their area, their boundary where they live. There was a time when the number of the Asiatic lion had come down only 18. They were hunted by poachers. Now, poachers are the people who kill animals in other states or other places in a hidden way, who kill them for their skin. We are losing the Asiatic lions. Why? Because their skin is used for different purposes. So, in order to get its skin, they are being killed by the poachers. After a lot of efforts to save them, there are now about 600 lions in the Gir forest. So, our government had taken various measures to save the animal, and now from 18 its number has come to 600, which is a very good thing for us. Next is the Great Indian Hornbill. The Great Indian Hornbill is found in Kerala and the Himalaya foothills, especially in the northeast India. Now we are talking about the bird, and its name is Hornbill. Hornbills are large birds with black and white feathers and a big yellow beak. They are called hornbills because their large bills or beaks are curved like a horn. So you can see in the picture also its beak is curved. It's look like a horn. Male hornbills have a hat-shaped growth on their heads. Hornbills eat fruits such as figs, but also hunt insects and lizards. They are also social birds who love to travel in pairs, means they move from one place to another in pairs. Hornbills face two kinds of danger. The first is that the forests where they live are being cut down and destroyed, and the second is that they are hunted by many people for their beaks. That's why this bird is becoming endangered day by day. The gharial. Now, gharials are fish-eating crocodiles. Live in rivers. These crocodiles, they live in rivers. They are one of the longest crocodiles. Now, this gharial species is the longest of the crocodile species. The male gharial can be about 20 feet long. It can weigh about 160 kilometers. The gharial has a snout that helps it to catch fish. The end of the snout is shaped like a ghara or a pot. Now you say, in Hindi we say ghada. So it is shaped like this. That's why it's known as gharial. That is why it is called gharial. Over the years, many dams and canals have been built, because of which the rivers now have less water than they had earlier. This has put gharials in great danger, and they need water and fish to survive. Now these crocodiles are getting extinct because they are not getting the proper place to live in because of less water, and because water is less there are no fishes, and so they are not able to survive. Most gharials are found in the National Chamber Sanctuary. There are only about 200 to 250 gharials left in the wild. Now, is next animal is the Indian rhinoceros. The Indian rhinoceros are also called the great one-horned rhinoceros. It's found in the grasslands of forest of Nepal and northeast India. In India, they are found in the Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Rhinos are large, strong animals with thick grey brown skin and a black horn. It has a black horn on it. They can grow about 6 feet tall and weigh up to 2200 kilograms. Their lifespan is about 35 to 40 years. They eat grass and leaves. In spite of their huge size, they are great swimmers and can run very fast. They have an excellent sense of hearing and smell but have poor eyesight, so they have a weak eyesight. They are endangered because poachers kill them for their horns. Now, why this animal is extinct? Because poachers are killing them because of their horns. After many efforts to save the Indian rhinoceros, their numbers has increased from 600 in 1975 to about 2200 now. I hope children you have understood this chapter. Anything you could not understand, children, please mark it, and tomorrow you can ask me in the live class. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless.